simplifying rational expression is here. So this question here is x to the third power times y to the power negative 5 times z to the power 4 divided by x to the power negative 3 times y to the power negative 2 times z to the power what? 1. Okay, so anytime you don't see anything as a power for any base or variable, that means there's an invisible one there. All right, so let's go for it. So this means what we have in here is we're going to work like this with like terms, okay? The like terms. So x3 over x negative 3. So what's happening is that, what we're going to do here, okay, is to always try to move the lowest power to the largest power. So between 3 and negative 3 is lower. So the negative 3 is going up. So if it goes up, the sign changes to the opposite, okay? So that means what? That means you have x then, 3, this one. So when the negative 3 goes up, it becomes what? Positive 3, right? So that becomes positive 3. Or somebody could have written times x to the third again. So we're going to go one step at a time, okay? So very quickly, so let's go with this one now, with the y. So which one is smaller? Negative 5 is smaller than negative 2, correct? So that means that one will go underneath. So that means we're going to have y negative 2 times y what? Positive 5, because the negative goes down, becomes a positive, right? The sign changes to the opposite. So last but not least, so we have the z for z1. 1 is, of course, smaller than 4. So that would then be times then z. So we have z4 times z minus 1. Okay? So let's take this one out. Right here. So let's go. So this is what we have. So if this is what we have, so what's happening then? So we got to combine like terms and everything else. So x3 times x3, so you're adding actually. So it's x3 plus 3. And then on the top z, so it's 4 minus 1. And then at the bottom, what do we have? We have y, that's negative 2 power plus 5. Okay? So if that's what we have, so we have x then power 6, z power 3 over y power positive 3. Okay? And there is nothing else you're going to do, but just that you are finished. Okay? You are all done. Okay? So that's it.